Hi guys, welcome back. Today we got a Yamaha Mariner 2 horsepower. Just been rebuilt. It's had new head bolts, new head gasket, new small end bearings, new gearbox oil and impeller. It's had a new fuel tank, new fuel cap, new fuel hose, new fuel cock, a new kill cord, new water pipe. That's about it. Plus and minus a couple other little things. Oh, a new spark plug. Yeah, runs well, starts well. It was fully in pieces when I got it. All the power head was apart. Everything. But found the parts I needed. The rest I'm selling. It's had a non-genuine kill cord fitted because the old push to stop button that was broken, and I thought, well, I'm going to replace it anyway, so I may as well just buy the proper safe thing. It's very simple controls: throttle, choke, on off obviously, full start, tiller, fuel cock, and then fuel on the cap, and then even, yeah, we'll take the cowling off and yeah, have a look under. I'm just taking the cowling off. Sorry if it's a little bit wobbly. It's a little bit awkward holding the camera. I'm doing bolts. These aren't original bolts, but yeah, that's what I had. They fit. They don't look awful. Obviously not perfect, but oh well. I'm sorry about the wind. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it. It's quite strong today. Yeah, be back with you when I've got all the bolts out. The bolts are off now. Cowling should just come off, hopefully. Seems to be calm, the fuel. There we go. Need a little bit of wriggling. Yeah, there she is inside. It's pretty clean inside. It's had a new spark plug, NGK, new fuel hose. Ignore the stray Jubilee clip. Yeah. I'll get the cowling back on and then we'll fire her up. See you in a minute, guys. We got the cowling on now. We got it in the water. Just open the fuel vent. Turn the fuel on. Fuel cord's in. Give it some choke. Bit of throttle. And see if she'll fire up. So the Yamaha's running now. Well, started first pull, something decent water. Bit of a strange telltale setup on these engines, but you can't see when it's pumping water, luckily. Rev it for too long, because otherwise it sloshes around a lot. Yeah. Outboard works. We'll see if she's firing up again. Just check if she'll fire up again after testing the kill cord. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. That was my review of my Yamaha Mariner 2 horsepower. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and check out the other videos. Yeah, thanks for watching.